So what's up you guys, welcome to another video that full of knowledge and understanding about the application software on Seagoing ship. So okay, let's start. So first in our list is the integrated bridge system. So what is integrated bridge system? Integrated bridge system is a kind of management navigational system which link other to provide all the details pertaining ship navigation at one place. The system would vary according to the design of the ship bridge and also the various type of equipment used in the ship and the general layout of the equipment of the bridge. So it simply says that it is a system that connects to other system to provide all ship navigation and the information in one location. It is important to remember that not all the IBS system are the same. The system will change based on the ship bridge configuration, the different types of equipment used in the ship, and also the general layout of the bridge. So this is what IBS bridge look like. The second na release is the Global Positioning System or the GPS. So what is GPS or the Global Positioning System? So it is a kind of system of the Earth orbiting the satellite, transmitting signals continuous towards the Earth that enable the position of the receiving device on the Earth's surface to be accurately estimated from the difference in arrival times of the signal. So it continues transmitting signal to the Earth and also allowing receiving device on the Earth. So this system reliability determined from the difference in signal arrival times. The system can use at any time under all weather conditions. So this image shown how GPS works. Third in our list is the chart display. So what is chart display? The chart display is a development in navigation chart system used in naval vessel in ship. With the use of the electronic chart display system, it has become easier for the ship navigation crew to pinpoint location and attain the direction. So it simply says that it is used in naval vessel and ship that can less or easier for navigator to locate your location and direction. So this image is an example of the electronic chart display. So next is the dynamic positioning. So what is dynamic positioning? The dynamic positioning is the automatically control the position of heading of the vessel by using thruster that constantly active and balance the environmental force, which is the wind, waves, current, and etc. So when we talk about thruster, thruster is a system placed in a marine vessel that produce guided hydrodynamic thrust for maneuvering or propulsion. So this image is one of the example of the dynamic position. So next in our list is the AIS or the Automatic Identification System. So what is Automatic Identification System? So it is an automatic tracking system that uses transceivers on the ship and it is used by the Vessel Traffic Service or the VTS. So the monitoring device that can transmit or receive communication on ship, particular on combined radio transmitter and receiver. This image is the example of the AIS used in navigation. Six in our list is the ship management software. So it is an application considered in the powerful integrated system. All aspects the daily work needed to manage efficiently a fleet of vessels and linking seamlessly both office and vessel into unified environment with fully automatic data and database synchronization. So the application combines all the aspects of daily work. So it is required to effectively manage into powerful integrated framework, and also it is connected into the system with fully automated data transfer and database synchronization. So based on my research, this is an example of the ship management system that usually used in the ship. Next in our list is the QA or the ISM follow-up software. So in this software, it is a new tool in training and administrator open a new horizon. So not only in the light of ISM but the most efficiently utilization of company human resources on board and ashore. So it simply says that it is a training that up a new knowledge based not just in the terms of ISM but also in the term of the most effective use of company human capital on board. So based on my research, this is an example of the ISM follow-up software. So next in our list is the plan maintain system. So what is plan maintain system? It's a record of all maintenance activities, prepares job plan for any period. So it allows chief engineer update job complete and also create electronic job cards and coded mail for the head. Simply says that so maintenance activity should be recorded to keep track of jobs that have been done. So this is example of planned maintenance on the ship. So next in our list is the spare parts control. So what is spare parts control? So spare parts control is a system that performs the function of the following. So first is the automatic creation of spare requisition. So when we talk about the spare requisition, it is a request for replacement parts produced automatically. So next is the real-time inventory control. So it simply says that controlling files or equipment on time. Next is the minimum and maximum stock control. So it says the regulation of minimum and maximum list. Next is the regarding of this spare to be repaired. It is a keeping a list of equipment that need to be fixed. So next is the delivery handling with automatic inventory update. Simply says that managing deliveries and inventory updated in real time. So next in our list is the provision control system. So what is provision control system? So provision control system is a system that is specially designed for provision, supply, and follow up for the shipping companies, and also provide automation of the complete supply cycle. So shipping companies deliver and follow up, and it is optimized the entire supply cycle. So next is the crewing system. So what is crewing system? Crewing system is a crew assignment to the various lines, which is important to the safety of the ship operation, and it is also the key to proper management of human resources on board of a shipping company. The Master General, which is produce a payslip for all seamen according to the national and master accounts, cash on boards, allotments, advance, bonded stores, telegram, overtime, and etc. So he is the one who manipulates the ship and also the crew. So last is the vessel operation or the position message. So when we talk about the vessel operation, it allows the officer electronically fill up and transmit to the noon office arrival and departure telegram. Port events log can be created according to your company and trade standard for the transmission to the office. So it is required to the officer to fill up and send their arrival and departure to the office. And also, the events are created according to your company and the company standard. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something about my video ideas on what application software of Seagoing is all about. And see you to my next video.